Yo, what's up guys? Today we are back with another video. This time we will be discussing about question set number 15. So in question set 15 there are like 5 questions. You can just pause the video right here and take a look at these questions. I think you have read the questions, so that's that. So let's quickly recap what happened up to set 15 from question set 11, because this is like the continuation of the question set 11. So in question set 11 we have created a database called NextMobileDB for the NextMobile store. And we have included a table called user in the database So yeah, that's that. In the question set 12 we have included 2 more tables, such as customer and suppliers, customer and supplier. So this is that. And in the question set 13 we have included 3 more tables, such as product, GRN and stock. In the 14th question we have included 1 table, such as invoice. So if you follow all these questions, the ER diagram should look like this. So here's the customer table, user table, stock table, product table, GRN, supplier and invoice, which we have created according to the questions. So now this is like the final question of this question set. So we have to create like relationships. We have to identify and create the relationships. So let's dive right into the first question. First question suggests that the database, you have to identify the relationship to be created between supply and GRN table. So let's have a look at the GRN and the supplier. So GRN, let's have a look at what GRN means. GRN means, like, this is the description given for the GRN table. GRN means like the good received not. GRN means good received not. So when a supplier supplies items or products to the shop, he gives like a good received not. No, the store gives like a good received not. So this is given to the supplier by the store. So this is that. So when we take a look at this, the logic for creating the relationship between these two tables is when we one good received not could not be given to multiple suppliers, because one good received not could be given only to one supplier. One good received not, again I'm stating that one good received not is what do you call it, one good received not is I doesn't seem to, okay, I don't remember the exact word. So one good received note is received by one supplier, and one supplier can have up to multiple good received notes. So that's the main logic. So when we take a look at from here, the multiplying side is GRN and the non-multiplying side is supplier. The relationship is one to many, so you have to select the multiplying side and select the non-multiplying side. So that's that. So supply ID is multiplying. So yeah, I have answered the first question. Now let's jump right into the okay, so sorry, I have answered the first question. So, and let's dive right into the second question. Second question suggests that you have to create a relationship between these two tables, such as relationship between these two tables named GRN and product. So now we know what GRN means. So this is like the description for the product table. So product table stores all the details of a product. So that's like quick summary of the product, what the product table stores. So if we take these two clause, if we take this if we keep these two together, yeah, what I'm trying to say is that one product can have up to many GRN nodes as they should, and one GRN node can have up to many products as they as as the store suggest. So it is like a man-to-man relationship. So you have to select the here and click these two table. So this is like the both sides multiply here. So that's that. And I think I have answered. Sorry, I mean I keep going to the wrong question set. So I have answered the second question. The third question suggests that you should create a database, the relationship between product and stock tables. So if we get these two clause, product and stock, okay, so this is here. So let's quickly summarize this. One stock, okay, here let's take first take a look at from the product side. Product, one product can have up to many stock. You can sorry, one product, there could be like multiple products in one stock, and vice versa. In stock there could be not vice versa. When we take a look at inversely, in stock there could be like only one stock. Okay, that's like a little bit confusing. What I want to say is one product can have up to many one stock can have up to many products, and one multiple products can't have like products from like different categories can't have like the same stock. That's what I'm trying to say. Suppose like Samsung Galaxy phones and Apple iPhones have the same stock, so no, that's like a big no. So the multiplying side is the product. The multiplying side is the product, and the non-multiplying side is the stock. So you have to first select this and here. So first you have to select the non-multiplying side and select the multiplying side. Okay, I think that answers the third question. The fourth question suggests that we have to create, fourth and fifth question suggests that we have to create fourth, fifth and sixth question suggests that it's like all the same. if you read the questions carefully. So you have to create this if you are going to create uh, relationship between these two tables, your user and customer, you have to also create a, relationship with the invoice table for these two to be connected. So so one user, let's get let's group all of these three tables and explain what is going on here. One user can have uh, like up to many invoices as he would like one user can purchase from the same store multiple times. Oh, no, I'm thinking, oh yeah, this is not user, sorry, not this table here. Okay, I'm taking from here from user I meant customer, sorry for that. One customer can have up to multiple invoices because we can purchase like different products multiple times. And if we look at from the product side, one product can have only one invoice. No, one product can have as many invoices because one product can be purchased by multiple customers. So that's the logic. And so but okay, I will connect these two together. So you have to first select the non-multiplying side and the multiplying side, and the same goes to here, non-multiplying side and the multiplying side. So that's that. So if we take a look at the invoice table, this would be much clear. One customer, okay, I just remembered the word owned. But one customer can own up to one invoice per a purchase. Do I make sense? I think I should. Let me repeat that again. One customer can have only one invoice up to one purchase. So that's that. So this suggests this. So I think I made my point clear. So yeah, and I think that wraps up the video on a high note. I'm happy to end. So let's quickly recap what we did in the video. First, we have created the one-to-many relationship between supply and GRN. So where is so this is this here, GRN. And in the second question, we have derived a relationship between GRN and product table. So it is the one-to-many relationship. So okay, product and GRN. Here's the product table and here's the GRN table. I hope you can see this. Okay. You have to not select these two because this will increment. So and you have to since this table don't have any primary key, you have to give a new column which could be taken as the primary key, which would auto increment. So I completely forgot about that. It's good that I just recap, try to recap what just happened. So this is called as a synthetic primary key, so just keep in mind as a technical word. So yeah, so the between GRN and product tables, the relationship is many to many. So many to many relationship doesn't exist within the database, so you will always have one to many relationship with a newly created table. So the newly created table is the product has GRN, and you can see that the above tables have one to many relationships from each table with the newly created table. Okay, in the third question, we have to identify the relationship between product and stock table. We had to identify that. So product and stock table have like a one to many relationship. So here's the relationship. And fourth question suggests that we have to identify, we had to suggested that we have to identify the relationship between product and customer tables. So product and customer, okay, product and customer table. So and fourth, fifth and sixth questions we have answered them simultaneously, because it involves, you can't create a relationship directly between these two without the invoice table. So yeah, so when customers come to a store to they are coming to the store to buy a product, so they should have always have an invoice for each one of the purchases. So that's that. So this creates one to many two one to many relationships from the customer table and the product table with the invoice table, and altogether customer and product will have a many relationship, so which it is not possible to create in MySQL database environment. So yeah, I have recapped all these questions, so let's just synchronize this model. Since we are not doing this for the first time, if you are doing this for the first time, I mean if you are creating this database first time, select forward engineer. Since I'm not doing this for the first time, I will select synchronize model. Don't change any of this, click next. And yeah, I think I have created the database successfully. So yeah, we refresh this. I mean you can't see the relationship here, relationships, because these are all logical. You have to actually insert the what you call data into these tables, each one of these tables, to actually see the relationships. I actually see if the relationship ships work. So that's that. So yeah, I think I have finished the video. So thank you guys for watching. See you again. Hope to see you again next time. Peace.